Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today let's take a look at the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum. It's a lightweight vacuum for carpets and hardwood floors, seen here in blue. It's got 10,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. The uniquely designed motor creates powerful suction and high-performance cleaning. And if you're a Eureka fan, they also make similar models with slightly different specs, so you can check those out in the listing as well. And this model has automatic cord rewind. Very convenient, simply step on the pedal and the cord automatically retracts back into the vacuum. It's got a dual cyclone system for no loss of suction. And you can easily adjust the suction at your fingertips for best cleaning performance. Switched from carpet to upholstery to hard floor. It's got a quick release for the dust bin. Just press the button and watch the dust fall right out. And the lightweight design weighs in at 8 pounds, so you can carry it around with you. It also has swivel steering and a telescoping metal wand. The dust container fits 2.5 liters, so no bags or filters required. The WhirlWind has a bagless design and uses washable filters, so you can rinse them as needed and you're ready to go. It also has a 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool, and in addition to the filters, the components are washable as well. Now let's check out an awesome review from a verified purchaser called Works Great, it's 30 parts. I purchased this Eureka vacuum for my home cleaning businesses specifically because it has the metal parts. It is phenomenal. I love the way this thing works, and the suction is excellent. It's sturdy, even the plastic components are good, heavy duty plastic and not that thin, flimsy stuff. I love that it is super lightweight. I have to carry it in and out, up and down. I also really like how the arm is collapsible so that it fits in my cargo area better. Oh, and the best feature, the little brush attached to the arm. You just quickly separate the two metal parts, push down the brush, and quickly vacuum dust baseboards. Or vacuum and dust baseboards. Oh my god, that is a game changer. No crawling around on my hands and knees to wipe the baseboards unless I'm being paid to wet wipe them. Nice, well I guess if it's good enough for the pros, why not go with that? The Eureka RapidClean Pro lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner. A high efficiency, powerful digital motor with LED headlights. It's a very convenient stick and handheld vacuum. With almost 11,000 ratings on Amazon, it weighs in at 4.3 out of 5 stars. Solid. And if you're looking for a little variation on this model, you can also get it in the HyperClean and premium varieties, so check out the listing. So this model has efficient cordless cleaning, powered by the latest motor technology. The RapidClean makes cleaning convenient and thorough. 40 minutes of long-lasting runtime. Easily switch to max power on fingertip controls to increase suction for better cleaning on carpets and rugs. The Easy Rest feature allows you to take a break and safely prop up the vacuum on countertops and furnitures. And it can also reach under furniture while laying completely flat. And LED headlights have bright beams, so that way you can see dust and debris that might otherwise have been missed, and it makes cleaning under the furniture much easier. Now let's hear what a verified purchaser has to say. I had looked for about 2 weeks at several vacuums before ordering this one. I was very pleased because it did everything that it said it would do. I would highly recommend this Eureka to anyone that is looking for a lightweight, cordless, and powerful vacuum cleaner. I use it on my laminate floors, tile floors, and my indoor-outdoor carpet. It picks up the trash the first time you go over the floor, and it stays charged between 35 and 45 minutes, which is enough time to vacuum my entire house. I also like the fact that it goes under my chairs and sofa with ease. Well, there you go. The Eureka NEU182B PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight and in the color purple. It has 6,600 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Nice. And Eureka is a tried and true brand, so if you're looking for something with a little bit of different specs, then check out their other listings as well. This powerful vacuum has a dynamic motor and brush roll, which can lift stubborn and heavy debris. And the wide nozzle helps you clean faster. It's got 5 height adjustments, works well on carpet, shag carpet, hardwood floors, etc. And the smooth wheels ensure hardwood floors won't sustain scratches or gouges. It's got a 4.1 liter extra capacity dust cup, multiple accessories including a quick release handle connected to the stretch hose for above the floor cleaning, a 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. Helps you clean those hard to reach areas. And for convenience, they're stored right on board. It's easy to assemble. Assembling this bagless upright vacuum is a breeze. Simply snap on the quick release handle, fix the hose, wrap the cord on, and you're done. It's 13.4 by 14 by 44.5 inches tall, and has a power rating of 960 watts and 8 amps. Now let me share with you a nice review by a verified purchaser called Amazing I'm Obsessed. Wow, this vacuum is amazing. It works on my thick carpets, rug, tile, even siphoning little fuzz balls or hair stuck in random places on my bathroom walls. I am obsessed. This vacuum is lightweight. I'm short and 105 pounds, so I'm really glad this is not a hunk of a machine. It is also heavy duty and the suction power is really strong. I already vacuumed over the cords once or twice because I was so excited to use this vacuum, but the cords are perfectly intact, with no issues. The black and purple one comes with a brush, an upholstery tool, and a 7-inch short crevice tool. I used the crevice tool for my dust on my blinds and it worked. It really helps to use a vacuum on dust when you're allergic to dust like me. Using a duster just kicks up the little particles, but this vacuum truly did a good job of sucking everything up. The dust cup is bigger than it seems, and I'm so happy with this purchase and already recommended it to friends and family, especially for the price point. It's pretty loud, but I'm not surprised because it packs a lot of power for being so lightweight. Awesome. Well, this powerhouse Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless upright is available on Amazon Prime, so that means free shipping and free delivery. So order yours today, you're gonna love it.